Vegan Food Reviews, and today we in New York. Orchard Grocer, a 100% vegan plus palm oil free grocery store that has snacks, sandwiches, and soft serve. One of the things I like about Orchard Grocer is I don't live in a vegan hotspot, so it's hard for me to get certain items. Orchard Grocer has a lot of the items I've been looking for. They also have a kitchen in the back. You can check out the menu on the back wall. Everything is vegan. I got the SEC, the sausage, egg, and cheese. Check that boy out. Looking amazing. And here we go. Yes, we're just gonna go ahead and finish that off because it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? That was a great sandwich. And now we're gonna move on to the soft serve. And you know what? Here, we just gonna check this out. I got the twist, so it's a chocolate vanilla mix. Here we go. Check this out. Oh wow. Yes, it was that good. New York has some very good vegan soft serve ice cream. So yeah, man, Orchard Grocer, New York City. It's also connected to Moo Shoes, which is a vegan shoe store. I believe they both owned by the same people. But yeah, Orchard Grocer's killing it. I'm definitely going back. Like, there's no doubt about that. It's a Vegan Food with Thomas Jacoby, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.